Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to be here. My name is Manikaran, and I'm the founder and CEO of Rapcupid. And Rapcupid is all about seasonal and occasional merchandising. We are based out of Hyderabad. We are a bootstrapped company. Which we started in August 10, 2015. So we have chosen red as it's our theme color. And Rapcupid is what we want to say through Rapcupid is wrapping yourself with the love. The apparel is what we sell to you. So Cupid is all about love, and we thought logo should be a unique one. So we at Rapcupid decided to be a combination of letters C and D as it's a Cupid. And if you see inverse, it is look like a W. That's what all about logo. Okay. Am I audible now? Thanks. Sorry. Yeah, fine. Thanks. Yeah. So the company purpose is we are India's first seasonal fashion store. We help people to dress according to the season, trends, and occasions. Sorry. Thanks. Okay, the problem, shopping according to the season and occasions, and making artistic, fashionable, and comfortable products at affordable prices. If someone can tell me where you can shop according to the trends, season, and occasions in online. I mean, there are many websites, but there is no particular website to tap this particular niche. So the solution is one-stop fashion store for any kind of season, trend, and occasions. At the same time, building a platform where artists can monetize their artwork. Why now? Yeah, this is the right time. I see the great opportunity for this kind of merchandising. At the same time, it's a time saving for any kind of customers. So rather than if you search and Google through if you want to buy a T-shirt for Valentine's Day, rather than searching through Google, you can get a one-stop solution. That is rapcupid.com. A seasonal fashion has new address. At the same time, where artists, rather than working on what others need, here artists can work what he likes. So one artist working on 1,000 designs, rather than that, one artist working on his own passion or interest. And at the same time, what I mean to say, it's better to show you in a picture. So this is what I want to dress up to everyone. So let's say if you wanna go for your favorite cricket match, everyone want to buy a jersey. But at the same time, we want to create a single platform. At the same time, we want to indulge art, fashion, and comfort in that. That's what Rapcupid is all about. And there are many occasions, almost 81 occasions in India, people who celebrate it. And many people want to wear a particular T-shirt on celebrates birthday, Raksha Bandhan, Valentine's Day. Even some people celebrate Husband's Day. And many people, and in India, many people don't celebrate Wife's Day because, as I know that, every day is a wife's day in a married man life. So farewell sports, music event, and there are many occasions if you want to celebrate. Who would like to give a gift on special occasions? Over to you.
Hello everyone. Adding to Kiran, I would like to say if you want to buy a product which belongs to an occasion or season, you will absolutely will go to Amazon or Flipkart, and you will try to search n number of things because there are many of products in Flipkart and Amazon, like the online websites. But in Rapcupid, as per the season, we'll design a product and we will sell those products through online. If you see this is our product. Actually, we have incorporated on August 10th of 2015. This is our first product. This is called a Republic T-shirt. Normally, it is designed by Omkar Karyam. He is a designer, he works in film industry also, in Tollywood film industry. And he designs this I'm Indian T-shirt, which belongs only for Indians. Means many of the Indians can wear this product. Means many of the Indians are searching for Indian T-shirts because you can see in many other countries, you can see the caption like I love New York, I love America. But there is no other product naming India. That's I'm Indian T-shirt. And next. And this is the other product which we have designed for Ganesh Chaturthi. You know, India is a traditional country where many of them celebrate these traditional festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi. It is the most celebrated festival in India. So we have designed this Ganesh T-shirt particularly on Ganesh Chaturthi, which sold mostly before Ganesh Chaturthi only. And these are other products made by our artists. If you can see the middle one, Happy Hangover T-shirt, actually it says this is my drinking T-shirt. In a mug means if you see it is a beer mug, so that many of the party goers means if you want to go to a party, you want a different shirt and you want a separate T-shirt unique design. So we have made this unique T-shirt which is given by a artist, which means outside artist. He's a designer actually. And we have an option called upload your design. Actually, many of other designers can upload their design in our website, and then we'll go through the approval process by contacting many of our friends, means sending our product to many of the friends, and we also see the trend of the design. Means if a particular design, as I said, this is my drinking T-shirt. So in the drinking T-shirt, we'll search through Google, means normally in search engines, what is the reach of that particular keywords. So based on that, and also the design, how it is attractive, we'll make the approval process and we'll then sell. And these are other products which you have seen. These one is the Abdul Kalam T-shirt, tribute to Abdul Kalam, we made it. And other occasions are like Valentine's Day, and the other is one we made for Paris attacks. It's support for Paris. And our USP is mainly our products are totally bio-washed. Means we do not use any chemicals while the production. So and also there will be no color fading, and also there is no shrink of the cotton. And this is the other unique product from us. It's called Softest ENT. Softest tea, which is made by us. Actually, it weighs around 120 grams only. If you if you touch it, you can feel like a feather. It's so smooth. It will be so smooth when you wear it also. And every tea has its own story. Means while making a design, there will be design. Means each design has its own story. If you see, there are particular facts which we have written for the design. And these are our fans who wear our products till now. And there are many celebrities praised our products because of our unique designs. If you see, the king of Tollywood, Mr. Nagarjuna has praised our product while shooting for O3 movie. And also other celebrities like Ravi Kakawa and Ansuya, who is a TV host.
So this is our beautiful product interface. Like internet is technology is the only luxury thing we offer to virtual customers. So we want our website to be mobile friendly and user friendly websites. So this is how you can just shop with through 3 steps. And this is how our product will be easily visible through wonderful photo shoot, so you can understand the quality and texture of the photograph. And these are using the same context. We want to build upcoming products like Western tank tops, mobile cases, boxes. Recently, many people searched for Valentine's Day mobile cases. At the same time, on February 24th, there's Steve Jobs' birthday. So many people purchase it through online mobile cases. So we want to, using the same context, we want to build our merchandising through these products. And the market size is estimated around $67 billion in 2014, and probably it can reach $141 in 2021. And our potential customers, Bevkuf.com, Happily and Merit. These companies are 2 mainstreams. There might not be immediate competitors, but probably they're also working on the same stream. But we are specialist thing. This is my team. Why we need money? To invest in team, technology, products, and marketing. Probably with the 2 millions, we can reach 2,800 sales a month with average cart value 499. And this is our business model. Selling our products through online, marketplace listing, pop-up shops. We're helping artists. That's it. Thank you.
Please. Hello. Questions?
Yeah. How do you compete with the local T-shirt or apparel manufacturers?
So that's what we compete with. Only difference factor is art, fashion, and comfort. So the comfort and art is something very unique. That is our core competency.
Adding to Kiran, I would like to say, means many of them are searching for many seasonal and occasions products. Means based on that, we can compete with others because, as I said, Amazon or Flipkart, there are n number of products. They will sell, means they claim that they have a Valentine's Day collection. But there are many of a mixed collection, not belongs to Valentine's Day. But the one-stop solution for any occasion will be grabcubic.com.
So if you look at their main USP, other than the art, is actually having the availability of merchandise which is for that particular time, right? So if you are looking for a Valentine's T-shirt, if you go out in the market, you may not find what you have, but the whole collection on their website at that time would be Valentine's Day, or for the matter Father's Day, Mother's Day, Diwali, or whatever.
And the design will be also the same, which belongs to that occasion only. Means other than other websites, they will sell many other T-shirts, but in our website, we sell only the design which belongs to that particular, means specific occasion or festival.
As long as you have right kind of apparel in the market, you always have a place in the market. I mean, as long as you have unique design and quality, you always have a right kind of market. That's what I can.
What's the price of that Ganesha T-shirt?
So that is $499, and we deliver in 2 to 3 days across India.
Are you carrying a T-shirt to show to these guys? Is there anything that you
After
make?
this I can show you.
Yeah, that will be late though. You should have done it by now. Yeah, we have a question here.
Yeah, so the same, sort of USP is also a challenge because you're only seasonally dependent, right?
Right.
So if you make 1,000 T-shirt run and you sell 500,
Right.
do you wait till next year?
So no need. Actually, before we launching our product, we understand the market through search engines, the number of people through keywords such in last year market, seeing that we can understand. At the same time, we have a measurable quantity we make production. At the same time, we can do that. So at the same time, this is very seasonal wear. Why we want to sell, we're telling it in an artistic way, because you can wear it in casual time also, not on the same occasion. It's a regular wear with the artistic touch. That's it.
Adding to him, I'm a marketing guy. Means majorly my part of job is to, means before the launch of the design, we'll see n number of factors through the market size, and also means we're an online platform, so we'll search through all search engines and what is the market reach, and also we go through Facebook pages, means creating a Facebook pages, and if there are any particular interest Facebook pages are there or communities, so we'll target as per the number. Considering the number only, we start the production. Means if there is no reach of the design or else the occasion, then we don't sell that T-shirt.
But then perhaps it will be humanly difficult to estimate the exact number of what the demand would be and what you can prepare. So what his question is that whatever you prepare, it's good to have a shortfall, I understand.
Yes.
But then if you have an overrun, right,
Means,
overproduce.
if there are 500 T-shirts we have manufactured and
Right.
we sold around 400,
Right.
we left those 100.
It will still be available on the site, or will you
No,
wait
no.
till the next year?
Yeah, no, we'll add up to the next year's collection.
So those 100 units will go into your warehouse, sit there for a year, and then come back.
No, actually not like that. Some of them, means after seeing the product, some of them are trying to wear throughout the season also.
Yeah, so you can probably have an archival section kind of thing,
Yes.
which is from the past one. I don't know, I'm just giving a thought. Discount sale or something like that.
Maybe.
But yeah, it's actually not humanly possible to have the exact number of what you should
Yes.
be producing and bringing. So any more questions? One last call we can have. Any questions,
Yeah.
investors?
Audience can take.
Okay, we have one question from the audience. I'll just take one.
Sure.
This is exception.
Yeah.
this time.
So how do you differentiate yourself from a typical T-shirt retailer?
Right.
And where does the technology part kick in? And if I ask you three major USPs,
Right.
which say that okay, fine, this is something different. I'm part of Smash Up, and this is something which has got to do with technology. So how do you define those three USPs? Because whatever I've gathered from what you've spoken till now, you sound like just just like any other T-shirt retailer. So how different are you?
So
I want three USPs.
right. So the art what you see on a T-shirt or the design what you see, that's very unique. That will be the inception of the idea coming from our own company or the artist. So that which is very unique. So the fashion and the quality wise we at least we are very good, and that's why we can make India's softest cotton T-shirt, and every T-shirt is organic T-shirt and bio-washed T-shirt. So probably you won't get everywhere the T-shirt.
But if I understand right, you're sourcing your T-shirt from somewhere else. You're not producing.
Yeah,
it, right?
we are sourcing the T-shirts from multiple vendors across India.
So anybody else can, in that case, procure them from those vendors, right? That's what the question is. So it's not you who's
No,
just getting
no.
those.
The vendors who work for us definitely will be working only for us. That's what. If everyone can get such kind of stuff, probably there will be such kind of softest T-shirt from other brands also. Why it is only from us? It's only because of our team.
How that's curious. So
Because we'll be doing
investors are not
silicone
asking.
washed, bio-washed.
If I may ask this one, now this is my curiosity, right? So if you say a vendor will work just for you,
Right.
what kind of volume are you giving to them, and why would they do it exclusively for you and not for anybody else?
Because as we are a team, and the blend and the procedure will be telling by us. So let's say the bio wash, usually no one does that, but we have done for the extra softness and the avoiding color fade.
Yeah, but everybody can do that, right?
Yeah, everybody can do that, but there is a difference when we bet on our quality. That is our USP.
Sure.
And
So time for verdict, judges, investors, right? On a count, 1, 2, and 3. Oops.
thanks. And anyone can
Any
I expect
feedback?
Any feedback?
Any feedback, anybody? No? Yeah, Sanjay ji here.
Yeah, I'll take a quick one. I think it's too shallow right now, frankly.
Okay.
Don't mind my frankness.
No problem.
You'll need to sort of spend a little more time. Determine your USP, as my friend out there asked that question. Work on what you have strengths around.
Okay.
That's what you'll need to go for. Okay?
Thanks. I'll
Yeah.
just
All the best.
deep dig in that.
Sure, sure.
Thanks for the time.
One feedback from me. I think you were more confident when we were talking in the mentoring session than you were here on the stage. So,
Right.
so don't be nervous with the investors.
Yeah.
See, you should know when you're talking to the investors that they are investing in your money if you are confident of returning that money back, right? So it's a win-win situation. So don't be nervous of the investors in any case. Right?
Thanks everyone.
Thank you all.
Next we have Theranosys Life Sciences.
Right.